Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. Addison Rae posted about them. Work on to get ready to hot. So this is kind of a Valentines / DIY video. I'm sure you've seen all over Instagram these flowers that last like up to a year, and they're actually real. A lot of celebrities and influencers post about them, like Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner, Addison Rae posted about them, just so many people. So if you haven't guessed it already, we are going to be DIYing the Instagram flowers, otherwise known as the Venus at Floor. So here is their website. This is similar to what I'm going to be doing, and this is $329. Very cute, but extremely expensive and pricey. So again, $399, very expensive. This is $1,499, which is insane, especially if you're not like Kim Kardashian status or Addison Rae. So instead of spending so much money, you can do it the DIY way. And then look at Alyssa Violet. That is so cool. They spelled out Violet. Now let's get into the DIY to show you how to make these flowers for cheap. So I got some supplies. The first thing I got was 2 bouquets of flowers, and these are little roses. They're easy to just like pop off the stem. And then on the screen right here, I'll put how the real Venus de Flor flowers look. But this is a good DIY if you're wanting to save money and not purchase those, because they can be very expensive, although I've been really wanting some. The next thing I got was this white box. So a lot of times the flowers come in a box like this. The next thing I got was ribbon just to go around the box, and I got it in this light pink color. So from Hobby Lobby, they had a lot of good sales. The first thing I got was red roses. So these I felt look more realistic. I got some styrofoam for the white box. I found the cutest red heart box. So it is the next day, and I'm going to get started on this box first that has like the pinkish whitish flowers. So first off, I just plugged in my glue gun so it'll get nice and hot, and I'm gonna open this. So now on the styrofoam, I'm going to place it on top of the box and kind of just cut around it so it'll fit perfectly on the inside. So now that we have this part completely cut, it's okay if it's a little bit messy on the sides because no one's gonna see it. You're just gonna put it in the box, and I probably need to cut mine a little bit more, but you're just gonna put it in the box so no one's gonna see it. It's just so you can stick the flowers on. Okay, I'm making like a huge mess right now. If you guys will see, I'll show you. Oh, be careful because this is like very messy. I got some of it on the floor too. But I think this will fit in here now. Okay, this is perfect. I was literally talking to the camera and it wasn't even recording. I put the styrofoam in the box and just pressed it down a little bit. And then I took some of the flowers off, and I'm just gonna place them on top first before gluing them, just so I have an idea of like exactly where I want them. So basically, I'm going to kind of just put all these on here. So now I'm going to get ready to hot glue them with my hot glue gun. So I already started putting the flowers with the hot glue gun. So next up, I'm gonna have some ribbon to put around it, just so it'll add to like the luxury of it and look more like the Instagram flowers. Okay, so now that I finished the white box with the pink hearts, I'm gonna work on this red box, which is so pretty. First, I'm gonna cut this. Okay, so the heart one was a little bit more harder to cut. This looks nothing like a heart, but fingers crossed it fits. So it fits, but I I think I cut a little bit too much on like the sides. This part's perfect, but this is like missing. But it's okay. So now we are going to move on to the red roses. Again, I highly recommend to place the roses on before hot gluing them because it's really hard if you mess up to remove them because hot glue dries like really fast. Let's do a time lapse of me taking off these beautiful red roses. These are way easier to take off than these. So buy the ones where it has a little stem and literally you just pull and it has this. So I might not even have to hot glue them. Here is my mess. It's mainly the styrofoam. The styrofoam gets everywhere and see it's right there too. And so let's put these on here. I filled in the gaps. It looks kind of funny. So let's place the roses where we like.